Welcome to a realm where money works for you, even while you sleep. Yes, you heard it right. Today we're diving into the world of passive income. Imagine a life where your bank balance grows each day, regardless of whether you're sipping margaritas on a beach or snoozing in your cozy bed. That's the beauty of passive income. It's all about setting up multiple revenue streams that keep generating income autonomously. It doesn't mean there's no effort involved. There's initial hard work, of course, to set things up. But once you've set the wheels in motion, these income streams can sustain themselves with minimal supervision. The secret to success in passive income generation? Serving an audience and providing value. It's all about figuring out what people need and then offering it to them in a way that's both helpful and profitable. So, are you ready to explore the tricks to generate passive income? Buckle up and let's dive in. First up on our list is starting an online business. It's a realm brimming with potential. The beauty of an online business is its flexibility, allowing you to work from anywhere, anytime. Plus, the income potential can be sky high. But where to begin? It all starts with identifying a niche. What are you passionate about? What are you knowledgeable in? Once you've figured that out, it's time to craft a business plan. This is your roadmap to success, outlining your business's mission, target audience, and strategies to penetrate the market. Next, you'll need to set up a website. This is your digital storefront, the first impression potential customers will have of your business. Make it count. Ensure it's user-friendly, attractive, and reflects your brand's identity. Remember, this isn't a one-and-done deal. You'll need to continuously tweak and refine your site as your business evolves. Starting an online business might require some work up front, but the results can be amazing. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is a simple concept where you promote someone else's product and earn a commission when people buy it through your referral link. Think of it as being the middleman between the buyer and the seller. Now, how do you select products to promote? Well, it's all about finding something that aligns with your interests and your audience's needs. You wouldn't promote gardening tools if your audience is interested in tech gadgets, right? So, do your research, find a product that fits your niche, and then sign up for the affiliate program. Once you've done that, it's all about promotion. You can write blog posts, create videos, or even use social media to talk about the product and share your affiliate link. Remember, authenticity is key here. You should only promote products you truly believe in and think will benefit your audience. And the best part about affiliate marketing? The potential for earning is limitless. Depending on the product and the commission rate, you could be looking at a nice passive income stream. But remember, it takes time and effort to build up. So, be patient and stay consistent. Affiliate marketing can be a great way to earn money passively, with minimal startup costs. Ever thought of creating a YouTube channel? Well, it can be a great source of passive income. Now let's get into the how. Firstly, you need to select a niche for your YouTube channel. This should be something you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. You want to create content that you enjoy making and that your audience will love watching. Next, creating engaging content is key. You need to think about what will draw viewers in and keep them coming back for more. This could be a unique perspective, a captivating storytelling style, or simply the quality of your content. Remember, your content should always provide value to your viewers. Lastly, let's talk about monetization. There are several ways to monetize your YouTube channel. One of the most common ways is through ads. Once you reach a certain number of subscribers and view hours, you can apply to be part of the YouTube Partner Program, allowing you to make money from ads on your videos. Another way to monetize is through sponsorships. This involves partnering with brands that will pay you to promote their products or services in your videos. Creating and growing a YouTube channel takes time and effort, but the potential for passive income is huge. Now, let's move on to offering online memberships. Have you ever thought about creating a platform that provides exclusive value to members? This could be a blog with premium content, a fitness site with customized workout plans, or even a cooking site with unique recipes. The key here is to offer something of real value that keeps your members engaged and willing to pay a monthly or yearly fee for access. Building a membership site may seem daunting at first, but with the right tools and strategy, it's totally doable. Start with identifying a niche that you're passionate about and that others are interested in. Then, create content that is both valuable and unique. Remember, your members are paying for this, so it needs to be worth their investment. Next, decide on a pricing model. This could be a flat rate for all members or tiered pricing based on the level of access. Whichever you choose, make sure it's fair and reflects the value you're providing. Finally, promote your site. Use social media, email marketing, and other strategies to attract members. And don't forget about customer service. Respond to queries and feedback promptly. This not only helps to retain current members but also attracts new ones. Offering online memberships can be a fantastic way to generate a steady stream of passive income. Up next, we have selling print-on-demand designs. This is an exciting avenue for all you creative minds out there. The first step in this process is to create unique designs. You could be inspired by anything around you. The key, however, is to ensure that your designs are original and appealing. Once you have your designs ready, the next step is to select a print-on-demand service. There are numerous reliable services available online. You could choose one based on your specific needs and preferences. The beauty of these services is that you only need to upload your design and they take care of the rest, from printing to shipping. Now here's where the passive income part comes in. Every time a product featuring your design is sold, you earn money. It's as simple as that. Your designs could be on t-shirts, mugs, posters, or any other product. The more popular your designs, the more products get sold, and the more money you make. Selling print-on-demand designs can be a fun and creative way to earn passive income. How about developing an app or software? Imagine creating a tool that millions of people use daily. Sounds exciting, doesn't it? So where do you start? First, you need an idea. Look for a problem that needs solving, or think about how you could make an existing process easier or more enjoyable. Once you've found your idea, it's time to develop it. If you're tech-savvy, you could do this yourself, or you could hire a developer. Remember, the goal is to create an app or software that's user-friendly and meets a specific need. Now let's talk money. How do you turn your app into a source of passive income? There are several ways. First, you could run ads. Every time someone uses your app, they'll see an ad and you'll earn money. Another option is to offer in-app purchases. This could be anything from extra features to virtual goods. Developing an app or software can be challenging, but it can also be a highly lucrative source of passive income. So, why not give it a shot? You might just create the next big thing. Last but not least, creating an online course can be a great way to earn passive income. It's all about sharing your expertise with the world. But where to start? First off, select a course topic. Find something you're passionate and knowledgeable about. It could be anything from photography to programming or even baking. Once you've got your topic, it's time to create engaging and informative content. Break down your knowledge into digestible modules. Make it interactive with quizzes and feedback sessions. Remember, the key is to provide real value to your students. When you're ready, sell your course on platforms like Udemy or Coursera. These platforms have millions of users eager to learn. You set the price, they provide the audience. It's a win-win. Creating an online course requires initial effort, but once it's up and running, it can be a great source of passive income. So there you have it, folks. These are some of the best ways to generate passive income online. We've journeyed together through the realms of starting an online business, unlocking the potential of affiliate marketing, and creating a profitable YouTube channel. We've also explored the opportunities that online memberships offer, delved into the world of selling print-on-demand designs, and looked at the possibilities of developing an app or software. And let's not forget the immense potential that lies in creating an online course. But remember, knowing these strategies is just half the battle. The real work begins when you decide to take action. Start small, choose a strategy that resonates with you, and commit to it. Success doesn't come overnight, but with persistence and dedication, you'll start seeing the fruits of your labor. Don't forget to like this video and hit the subscribe button for more content like this. Remember, the journey to passive income starts with a single step. So take that step today. Thank you for watching.